From the topic triangles, we have to solve some more examples. Here, the example is given that we are looking example number 17, that is ABC is a triangle in which AB is equal to AC and D is any point in BC. Prove that AB square minus AD square is equal to BD into CD. Here triangle ABC is drawn, and in that triangle D is any point on side BC, and if we join AD, we got three triangles, that is ABD, then triangle ADC, and our original triangle, that is triangle ABC. Here draw a perpendicular AE. Now we have to prove that AB square minus AD square is equal to BD into CD. Now to solve this example, I have mentioned that draw AE perpendicular to BC, then in a triangle AEB, and a triangle AEC. Here AEB, that is triangle, and another triangle is AEC. AEC means here. So these triangles we have to consider here, and if we observe, it is given that ABC is a triangle in which AB is equal to EC, that is, it is isoscale triangle. Now if triangle is isoscale, then AB equal to AC, and we know that if the two sides are equal, then the opposite angles are also equal, means angle B equal to angle C. So to prove that these two triangles are congruent, we have to show that AB equal to AC, because it is given AB equal to AC. Similarly AE equal to AE, because AE is the common side, that is our construction, and angle B equal to angle C, and therefore triangle AEB equal to triangle congruent triangle AEC. Now if both the triangles are congruent, then we can write B equal to CE by CPCT here. And now here we have to consider the triangle AED. Here AED, again AED, and triangle ABE. Triangle ABE is this triangle. So we have to consider these two triangles. Here both the triangles AED as well as ABE, both the triangles are right angle triangle. Now we can apply Pythagoras theorem in both the triangles. Then we get, first of all, here we know that at angle E is right angle triangle, so AD is the hypotenuse of the first triangle AED, and therefore by Pythagoras theorem we can write AD square is equal to AE square plus DE square. AE square plus DE square. Similarly in a triangle ABE, again AB is the hypotenuse, so AB square is equal to AE square plus BE square. Here AB square is equal to AE square plus BE square. Now subtracting equation 1 from equation 2 we get here ab square minus ad square means here ab square minus ad square. So here we get a square plus b square minus a square minus d square. Here I have shown here a square plus b square minus a square minus d square, because here subtraction is there, so both the signs means sign of a square as well as d square will get changed, and therefore a square and a square will get cancelled. Then we will get b square minus d square. So here ab square minus ad square is equal to b square minus d square, and then here we can write ab square minus ad square is equal to, we know the identity that is a square minus b square. Here if we consider b square as a, that is a square, and d square as b, that is b square, so a square minus b square is equal to a plus b and a minus b. Then we will get here b plus d into another bracket b minus d. In this way we can expand the equations. Then we will get ab square minus ad square is equal to ce plus de, because we have proved here that b equal to c, and instead of b we have written there c, means b instead of written c, so c plus d into another bracket b minus d. And now ab square minus ad square is equal to, if we consider here the figure, then it is seen that b betweenness, d betweenness, e, and therefore b equal to de or bd plus de. So bd plus de is equal to be, and now here b, if we take d to, then it will become minus, so b minus d equal to bd. So here b instead of b we have to write, means b minus d is equal to bd. So here b minus d equal to bd, and therefore we got ab square minus ad square is equal to bd into cd or cd into bd. So in this way we have solved our example. Now we have to solve our next example, in which it is given that in a triangle ABC, AD is perpendicular to BC. Then prove that first question is AB square plus CD square is equal to AC square plus BD square. That is the CBSE question. And now second question is that AB square minus BD square is equal to AC square minus CD square. Now here triangle is drawn here, that is ABC is a triangle, and we have drawn AD perpendicular to BC, and due to this we get two triangles, namely ABD and ACD. So these are the two triangles ABD and another triangle, that is ACD. So these are the two triangles here. And now here AD is perpendicular, so angle D is 90 degree, and therefore this is also a 90 degree, means both the triangles are right angle triangle, and therefore we can apply Pythagoras theorem in each triangle, then we get AB square is equal to AD square plus BD square. AB square is equal to AD square plus BD square. Similarly, we can write here AC square, here AC square is equal to AD square plus CD square. And now subtracting equation second from equation 1, we get AB square minus AC square. We have subtracted LHS of both the equation, that is here AB square minus AC square, and subtracting RHS we get AD square plus BD square minus AD square minus CD square. Here both the signs are positive, they will get changed, and then here AD square will get cancelled, and in this way we get here AB square minus AC square is equal to BD square minus CD square. So here we get the equations. Here AB square plus CD square is equal to AC square plus minus AB square minus AC square is equal to BD square plus CD square, and here minus CD square is taken to left side, then we get here it is taken left side and AC square is taken to, so we will get here AB square plus CD square is equal to AC square plus BD square, or here AB square minus BD square is equal to AC square minus CD square. In this way we have solved our second example. Now there is one more example here, and that is the NCERT. It is given that from a point O in the interior of triangle ABC, perpendiculars OD, OE, OF are drawn to the sides BC, CA and AB respectively, and prove that first question is AF square plus BD square plus C square is equal to OA square plus OB square plus OC square minus OD square minus OE square and minus OF square. So this is the first question, and the second question is AF square plus BD square plus C square is equal to AE square plus CD square plus BF square. Here the first of all we will see the figure that here triangle ABC is drawn, and here it is given that in a triangle ABC the O is the interior point of the triangle, and from the point O the OD, then OE and OF, these are the perpendiculars drawn on sides BC, CA as well as AB respectively. So these are the perpendiculars. Now before going to solve, we have to see that let O be the point on the interior of triangle ABC, and let OD perpendicular BC I have just shown you in the figure here, that is OD perpendicular to OD is perpendicular to BC, then OE is perpendicular to CA and OF is perpendicular to AB. Here we get three right angle triangles, that is first here I have shown by red spot, that is OAF, then second by ODB, and third by OCE. So these are the triangles, and in these three triangles we have to apply Pythagoras theorem. Now here, if we apply the Pythagoras theorem in OFA, look here, OFA, this is the right angle triangle. Here it is right angle, and therefore OA is the hypotenuse, and therefore OA square is equal to OF square plus AF square. Here we will get the first, that is OA square is equal to AF square plus OF square. Now we have to consider another triangle, right angle triangle, that is triangle ODB. Triangle ODB. Here triangle ODB is drawn, and here right angle is there. So OB is the hypotenuse, so OB square is equal to OD square plus BD square. We will get here OB square is equal to OD square plus BD square, that is equation number 2. Now we will consider the third triangle, that is OEC. Here triangle OEC. So this is the triangle. In this triangle, OC is the hypotenuse. So OC square is equal to OE square plus CE square. Here we will get OC square is equal to, so this is the equation, that is OC square is equal to OE square plus CE square, and that is equation number 3. And now adding equation 1, 2 and 3 means, first of all we have to add LHS. These 3 LHS, we will get OA square plus OB square plus OC square. Now adding RHS, we will get AF square plus OF square plus BD square plus OD square plus CE square plus OE square, and we will get the equation, that is OA square plus OB square plus OC square is equal to AF square plus OF square plus BD square plus OD square plus CE square plus OE square, or we can write the equation OA square plus OB square plus OC square is equal to AF square plus BD square. Here AF square plus BD square plus CE square plus OF square plus OD square and plus OE square. So this is our equation. Now here adjustment is done, that is AF square plus BD square plus CE square, only the part which is underlined here, that is taken here to the left side. Then OA square plus OB square plus OC square, this is taken to RHS, means here OA square plus OB square plus OC square. Here if we take this part, this bracket to the left hand side, then it will be subtract, minus, it will become minus. So minus OF square, minus OD square and minus OE square. The signs of the terms in the bracket will get changed. So OA square minus OB square, OA square plus OB square plus OC square is equal to minus OD square minus OE square and minus OF square. So in this way we have solved our first question. Only transformations are there, nothing else. Now we have to solve our second question, that is AF square plus BD square plus CE square is equal to AE square plus CD square plus BF square. Here we will observe here that in a triangle ODB and ODC, here ODB and ODC. So we have to consider these two triangles. Then we have to apply here. Without applying, we can direct use equation number 1 2 3, but here in the right angle triangle ODB, in a right angle triangle ODB, we will get OB square is equal to OD square plus BD square. Here OB square is equal to OD square plus BD square. Then in triangle ODC, in a triangle ODC, we get OC square is equal to OD square plus DC square. So here we will get OC square is equal to OD square plus CD square. Now subtracting equation 1 and 2, we get, means here LHS we have to subtract, then we will get OB square minus OC square, and then OD square plus BD square minus OD square minus CD square, or we can write these terms into bracket. And now here OD square will get cancelled. Here OD square will get cancelled. We will get BD square minus CD square, because outside the bracket there is minus sign, so inner sign will get changed. So OB square minus OC square is equal to BD square minus CD square. Here if we consider equation 3 and 1, here equation 3 and 1, 3 is given OC square is equal to CE square plus OE square, then 1 is OA square, these two equations. And here we will get OB square minus OC square, that is subtracting 3, equation 3 and 1, we will get OC square minus OA square is equal to CE square minus AE square, or subtracting 1 and 2, we will get OA square minus OB square is equal to OF square minus BF square. And now if this is equation number 2, this is equation number 3, and above that is equation number 1, that is 1 2 3, and adding 1 2 3, we get here OB square minus OC square plus OC square minus OA square plus OA square minus OB square is equal to BD square minus CD square plus C square minus AE square plus AF square minus BF square. And then here we will get that BD square minus C square plus AF square minus into bracket A square plus CD square plus BF square is equal to 0. Then here after solving this equation, we will get AF square plus BD square plus C square is equal to AE square plus BF square plus CD square. So in this way we have solved our question number 19, and now we have to see the next example. The example is that a point O is in the interior of rectangle ABCD. E is joined with each of the vertices A, B, C, D. Then prove that OB square plus OD square is equal to OC square plus OA square. Here figure is drawn, that is the ABCD is a rectangle and O is the point and it is joined with all the vertices of the rectangle ABCD. Then we have to prove that OB square plus OD square is equal to OC square plus OE square. So here construction is drawn, that draw EOF, draw EOF parallel to AB, it is parallel to AB. So this is our construction, and now we will see the solution, that is ABCD be a given rectangle and let O be the point within it, join OA, OB, OC and OD. Then through O draw EOF, just now I have shown you, parallel to AB. Then ABFE, here ABFE, it will be a rectangle, it will be a rectangle, and in that rectangle here we have to consider the triangle OEA. Look here, OEA, this triangle we have to consider, and another triangle OFC, another triangle OFC, here OFC, and then we have to apply Pythagoras theorem in these triangles, both the right angle triangles. We will get OA square is equal to OE square plus AE square. Similarly, in the second triangle here we will see that OC square, because here right angle, here this is the right angle, and therefore OC square is equal to OF square plus CF square. And now here adding equation these two, we will get OA square plus OC square is equal to OE square plus AE square plus OF square plus CF square, or we can write OA square plus OC square is equal to OE square plus OF square plus AE square plus CF square, means this is adjustment. And now this is equation number 1, and now in a triangle OFB, here we have to find OFB, and triangle ODE, so this triangle we have to consider, and again we have to apply the Pythagoras theorem. Then we will get OB square is equal to OF square plus BF square or FB square. Similarly, in this triangle we will see that OD square is equal to OE square plus DE square, and now adding these equations we get OB square plus OD square is equal to OF square plus FB square plus OE square plus DE square, and in this way we can write OB square plus OD square is equal to OE square plus OF square plus DE square plus BF square. And now here it implies that OB square plus OD square is equal to OE square plus OF square plus CF square plus AE square, because here it is given that DE is equal to CF and AE is equal to BF, and that is equation number 1. Now that is equation number 3. Now from equation 1 and 2 we get OA square plus OC square is equal to OB square plus OD square.